Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain what screwdriver you need to use to open this PS5 console, whether it's a disc edition or digital edition. So you need to have this security Torx screwdriver. So that's what I'm going to explain. So if you have tools like this, okay, in the screws there will be some points. So that is called security Torx. So it will be T8 will be fine. So this one, so you can use this T8H. Security Torx with hole. H means hole. So there will be tiny hole here. Then only we can unlock the screws. Or you can get like this. T8 will be perfect, but you'll be getting pain, okay, while opening the screws. So that's why. Okay. So this is the perfect one. So you can open it. So this is the screwdriver you need to use. And to open this kind of screws for DVD or this expansion drive, you can use Phillips screwdriver. Yes, this is perfect. You can use this one. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.